All right, make sure you're logged into your Gmail, okay? If you need to click that and make sure you're logged into the correct account, we're here. We're going to set up a new email. We have our projects, we have invoicing. I want to set up a billing email. So I'm going to go to settings in the right-hand corner. I'm going to go to accounts. And this section right here is send mail as. As you see, I am set up under so many different aliases. So whenever someone emails me, I set it up where I can respond back under that email, or someone emails support at Status Branding. I, a contractor, my project manager, my accountant, whoever it is, can reply back at that same email, which is perfect. And what I'm going to show you is how to set up different aliases too. If you read this message, when replying to a message, reply from the same address the message was sent. Okay, that's you want that click already. And what this means is someone emails support at statusbranding.com. When I respond back, I want it under this alias, and you can only do that if you set up this section, which is beautiful and no one really knows about. So I'm going to go to add another email. And what I'm going to do is clear all of this and set up a whole nother business email for my company, Status International, and the Status Branding team. These are our current groups. What you're going to have to do is go back to your settings and Google Apps and scroll down to My Groups. We're going to open in a new tab, okay? When I look at My Groups, you see a list of your groups. If you're okay with these, that's perfect. You're going to create a new one. This is fast, easy. We're going to create a billing department. I think it's time for a billing department. My group's email address, or that mask email address, will be billing@statusbranding.com. Perfect. We want to select the group type, which is collaborative inbox. And who can post? This simply means who can email you, and email billing@statusbranding.com. And we're going to hit anyone on the web. I'm going to create this. We can set up a few more settings. I'll show you where you can set up. Say we want to manage members and add more members to this group. We can do it from here. Invite members, as in people outside of your organization, any other contractors, any other people that you want to also join this group as well, an invitation message, and then they will receive the messages under that same email. Message settings, email options. We're gonna say okay. I like to go to email options and always put the title of that department. And what this simply means is when it emails you to your personal inbox, it'll say this first and then the subject of the email will go right there. We're going to unclick include default groups footer. Users decide where their replies are sent, and we're going to hit save. Okay, so we're going to come back. Let's check out our group. Our group is what? Billing at Status Branding. We're going to go back to our Gmail account, send mail as, add another email address, and we want a billing department. So all we're going to say is billing@statusbranding.com. Treat as an alias. Make sure that's clicked. Specify reply to address. I'm not too big on that. I think that's for larger companies. If you're just saying, like, don't email this address back, email someone else. I think that's more important. But in our particular case, we're not going to use that. I'm going to hit next step and send verification. Simply put, you go back into your groups, Google Groups, same tab, keep that open. Go to your billing and wait for a verification message to pop up. It may take a minute, and it may require you to change a few settings, but refresh it constantly and wait for that confirmation. So I refreshed it. Here's the verification code, which I'm going to copy, paste it back into that same tab where it asks for the code, and there we are verified. worry about that message that just popped up. So simply put, you can test it from here and say, you could say billing at status branding, hey, checking and on payment. Payment was sent successfully. And we're going to send it and test it. Let's see. Let's make sure everything's good. Send. And we could even set up a separate inbox for that. Yep. Here we go. Hey, checking in on payment. I sent it to billing at billing. You see? And I could put status billing. I can go change the name again and the settings. So there you have it. You can master your email for free. You can edit the info, and I'll put status billing as the contact name. All right.